this works out because I'm getting ready to go to the Philippines and I don't have time to send it back. I have not size checked this yet. I got a Joe Rocket motorcycle jacket. I have not opened this yet, but it is heavy and looks huge. Size extra large. I thought this was going to be really light because it's a mesh jacket. I was wrong. Please fit. I was going off the sizing chart online and it seemed like this would be the right size for me. Brochures and stuff. Wow, this is pretty big. It's like solid heavy. Zippers on the sides to take the pads in and out. It's a little bit loose, but there's it's on the loosest setting. So I can tighten the arms up right here and here and here. I got mesh because of the Philippines weather. I thought it wasn't gonna be hot. This thing's pretty hot already. I'm gonna take this liner out. Yeah, I guess that's for winter riding because it's thick. Oh, this is confusing. Taking this apart is confusing. Imagine putting it back together. Luckily, I don't think I'm ever gonna need this in the Philippines. I got more zippers to something. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever get this thing back together again. I guess this is like their rain jacket piece. I was wondering if you could use this like a rain jacket, but I guess not. There's nowhere for those to snap. Well, maybe you could. Nah, I don't think it would make a good rain jacket. Mesh on the inside. What we got left on the jacket is mesh with padding. Got a full back pad, shoulder pads, elbow pads. Now we're down to the mesh. Taking those little pieces out really made it a lot lighter and more comfortable. These buttons are not easy to snap. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the tighter setting. Now let's try this out. Why motorcycle jackets gotta be so complex? Okay. Yeah, that feels way better since I tightened the sleeves. Now the jacket feels a lot better. Oh, by the way, we got some pockets on the sides. Comes with extra buttons. Whatever that shipping crap is. Nothing in this pocket. Right here, just put your phone, and it has this little rubber thing that you can stick your headphones through. Padded pocket, I don't think it's waterproof. Another piece to tighten it. Yeah, I'm really digging this. I think this is gonna work. And now all you can stop yelling at me for not wearing gear. See, I'm getting gear. What do you guys think? Is it me? I like it.